So this is an example of something that's naturally gluten-free that you can make. And it's not going to cost you a fortune. It can be kind of risky sometimes to buy pasta sauce in the jar, because these days you can't even trust that pasta sauce in the jar is going to be gluten-free. They're adding wheat components and gluten components to everything now, it seems. But if you make sure that the can of tomatoes that you're buying is gluten-free, you can pretty much ensure that the pasta sauce that you're going to make is going to be gluten-free. I have a delicious pasta sauce recipe that you can use on the Sunflour Academy of Gluten-Free Fusion YouTube channel. But you can just watch me while I make this one. It's not difficult to make your own pasta sauce, and it's so worth it.
Tomato paste. So I'm just gonna let that cook for a while until the meat gets like fall apart tender.
If you can set aside 2 or 3 hours, the more time that you can allow the meat to simmer and the sauce so that it gets really soft and tender, as it's tenderizing in the sauce, the umami of the ripe tomatoes, the tomato paste, and the browned meat cooking together, it combines, and then add those spices and the onions and the garlic together. There's nothing like it. The next thing that you'll need to learn how to make is my gluten-free egg pasta. So when you're in a bind and you need some quick information on what you can do with what you have in your pantry or your refrigerator, that's a perfect opportunity to use my new service. Going gluten-free can really be daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually kind of fun. One of the things that I've learned is that once you eliminate the gluten, you can replace that void with more flavor. And I show you how to do that at Sunflour Academy of Gluten-Free Fusion. Alright, I'll come back later and show you what I'm going to do with the rest of everything here. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening.
Nice. Yeah.
Good night.